how to fix Wi-Fi is turned off on your LG Smart TV. Now first we will just click on the settings button here on the remote control. After we have clicked on it, you will be able to see the Wi-Fi symbol right here. So just click on the Wi-Fi symbol, and once we have clicked on the Wi-Fi symbol here at the top, then you will be able to see a different option. So you can do wired connection, which is Ethernet, which basically means cable connection to the internet, and we also have Wi-Fi connection. So if you click on Wi-Fi connection, it is going to show you a list of all of the different available networks right here, and you can just click on one and reconnect to it. It's going to ask for the password, and another reason why you might be getting this issue is because too many devices are connected to the same network. So if you're getting this issue, try disconnecting some devices, and then hopefully this fixes it for you. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.